Orkambi has arrived. I've been waiting all morning for FedEx. So let's open this up and see what it even looks like. Where's the drum roll? Oh my gosh, they really packaged this up. It came, it came, it came. It's really here, it's really here. All right, well, I'm gonna go call my parents and then I'm gonna take this and let's see what happens. Yay. Okay, now that I called my mom, I'm gonna take the first pill dosage with you guys. Sorry, I'm in a bathing suit. I'm about to go surfing, which I think is also symbolic. We're gonna have a very healthy day today. No, I'm just kidding, just kidding. Yay, Orkambi! All right, well, tune in next time when I have more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.